Hey there folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the reliable and top-notch VPN services, CyberGhost VPN. We'll explore its amazing features, applications, and much more. If you don't want to miss the exclusive offers CyberGhost has for you, don't forget to click the links in the description below. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the standout features of CyberGhost VPN. One of the most notable features is its vast server network. With over 7,000 servers in 90+ countries, it ensures that you have access to a stable and fast connection wherever you are in the world. Another impressive feature is CyberGhost VPN's dedication to user privacy and security. It employs no-logs policy and AES 256 encryption, which is one of the strongest encryption protocols available. This means that your online activities, personal information, and sensitive data are safeguarded from surveillance. What's more, on the privacy settings, you can turn on the DNS Leak Protection, which you can use to block ads, trackers, and malware, and works only when you're using the WireGuard protocol. It also has an automatic kills switch which instantly disconnects your internet connection if the VPN connection drops, ensuring your online activities remain private and secure. On the app, there's also a dedicated IP feature which offers the option of having an IP address exclusively assigned to you, providing all the benefits of a VPN while maintaining a consistent and unique IP ownership. But you'll need to pay a little extra to redeem your secret activation token. In terms of compatibility, you can protect up to 7 devices simultaneously. It works for Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and more. Now, let's talk about the applications of CyberGhost VPN. This VPN service caters to a wide range of users, including gamers and streamers. If you're a passionate gamer, CyberGhost VPN provides optimized servers for gaming, ensuring a smooth and lag-free gaming experience. It works well with Fortnite, Call of Duty, PUBG, and a lot more. For your downloading and torrenting needs, there are optimized servers on the app that you can easily connect to. But just a reminder, while CyberGhost provides safe and legal online experience, it does not support downloading illegal content. Now, for all you streamers out there, it helps you access shows or movies that are not available in your location, especially when you're traveling, allowing you to access your favorite content when you're not in your home country. You can watch on Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, BBC iPlayer, or stream sports live. However, please note that before connecting to a VPN server while abroad, it is advisable to thoroughly review the local regulations concerning VPNs. It is also crucial to be aware of the terms of use of streaming services, as they may have their own specific guidelines regarding VPN usage. By doing so, you can prevent any potential problems with your streaming account. But what if you're still unsure if CyberGhost VPN is the right choice for you? Well, don't worry. CyberGhost VPN offers a generous money-back guarantee. You can try out their service risk-free for 45 days. If you're not satisfied with their performance, you can easily request a refund. This shows their confidence in the quality of their service and gives you peace of mind. Lastly, let's discuss the free trial option. CyberGhost VPN provides a free trial period so that you can experience their service before committing to a subscription. You can enjoy all premium features with full access during the 24-hour free trial for Windows and macOS, and there is no need for a credit card. Additionally, Android users can enjoy a 3-day free trial, while iOS users can benefit from a 7-day free trial. It's a fantastic opportunity to see if CyberGhost VPN is the right fit for you. They also have a 24/7 live customer support service that allows users to chat in real time for assistance, including refund requests. And there you have it, folks. A closer look at CyberGhost VPN and its incredible features, applications, and the added benefits of their money-back guarantee and free trial. If you're interested in learning more or giving CyberGhost VPN a try, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time, stay safe and protected online.